Hey everyone, back with another video. Today is the 13th of January, and today I did not have the best day. I went 2 for 4 on the day, actually 1 for 4 on the day, and I learned some lessons, and I want to share some of the lessons that I've learned with you. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so this one is a low a day breakout that was a fake out. So this one really stayed within a tight range right at the beginning. I saw this high at the 394 fours, and then at the lows I saw a level right around the 393 fours. So it was going back and forth between this specific range, and it looked like it was weak from the pre-market, and so I thought it may be going down further. So I created a zone right there at the bottom of that wick and was looking for that 393.43 range. And when it got down there, the biggest mistake that I felt I made is I didn't manage my risk very well. So if you watch the tape, we're going to break it. I'm in, and it bounces immediately, and I should have gotten out. Because of that hard, quick bounce, that should be considered a rejection, and it rejected. And as you can see, I just got out there, and that was probably the biggest mistake. Is I should have kept my losses a lot smaller on that one. That was a 300 loss. That was about, what was it, 7%. This is a fake out right here because of what just happened previously. It comes up to this high, it goes past it, and it doesn't hold. It comes back down, but not nearly as aggressive. My mistake, and the lesson I'm learning on this play right here, is as it approached the high of that wick, I should have gotten back in because it was breaking it. It held, it showed strength, and then it breaks through. I should have back in right here, and then there's the pop right there. That was my biggest mistake, and it went a lot higher from that point on. So lesson learned on that one. Look for that reapproach to that high level, and then I would have been able to make a profit on that. But I was just too scared on that last one. Here we are looking for the breakthrough of a low down past the zone, past this key level, and I made that zone from that white wick right there around 10 o'clock. Well, here we are going to see a bit of a fake out, and I want you to look at the tape, specifically the ask column, because this is how I've been able to avoid fake outs, even though I'm still learning. Some of these you'll find that it will break on the bid, but it won't break on the ask. And so when it's a choppy market like it is right now, I'm keeping an eye on the ask when things are going down, looking for it to break that specific number. So we're looking at 82s about, and let's see if it breaks 82s. We're at 93s, 92s, 95s, bouncing a little bit, going into the 80s. Bounce back up, and as you see, I decided to play a play. Honestly, I have no excuse. That's called emotional trading, trying to predict what's going to happen, and it didn't. And it went up, and I got out. I don't know what I was thinking. I was playing with some small amounts. Can't do that again. All right, so here is my one successful trade. It breaks that 382. I get in. It's holding underneath this zone. It comes up a little bit, but it's not as aggressive, so it's still holding those 80s. So I'm holding. I'm waiting for that breakthrough, breakdown. It breaks, and then I sell, and I get out just because I've had a bad day so far. So this one was bad. I was looking for the rejection on this zone here. I should have gotten in right here. Instead, I hesitate. It drops, and that's when I get in. And then guess what it does? It holds there for a second. That's when I should be getting out, yet I holding because that's where I got in. And then it bounces, and it reverses, and I should have not hesitated if I was going to play that rejection. Quite honestly, I shouldn't have played it at all, simply because it wasn't a major key level, and that was the lesson that I should have learned. So those are the trades that I had for today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're trading SPY, reach out. I would love to connect with you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.